In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add balance in Namecheap step by step, so you can top up your account quickly and use it for renewals, domains, and other Namecheap services without any confusion. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through every click so you can complete it confidently. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Namecheap tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a useful guide. Let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your account balance area. You should see a top-up option right next to your balance. Click on Top Up to begin adding funds to your Namecheap account. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose your preferred payment method. You can usually select options like card payment or PayPal, depending on what's available for your account and region. Choose the payment method that's easiest for you. Then click Next to continue. After that, Namecheap will ask how much balance you want to add, enter the amount you'd like to top up carefully, and make sure it's the correct value before moving forward. Once the amount is entered, click Next again. Now you'll be taken to the Payment and Billing Details page. Here, review all the information carefully, including your payment method, billing details, and the amount you selected. If everything looks correct, click Charge and proceed to complete the payment. This final step submits your transaction and adds the selected amount to your Namecheap balance. After the payment goes through, return to your dashboard and check your account balance to confirm that the funds have been added successfully. If the balance has updated, then you're all set. You can now use those funds for future purchases, renewals, and other services on Namecheap. And that's it. You've now learned how to add balance in Namecheap in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials, and share it with anyone else who uses Namecheap. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.